Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to And Friends.
Hey, Toby.
I'm Carl. Who you calling Tubby?
You.
I'm not Tubby.
Gay.
Wait, what?
Gay.
Please repeat that.
Gay.
You know you sound stupid. Oh God.
Oh my
Oh
God.
God. Move it. Get out of my house.
Get around.
Get that heck out of my house.
Gay.
Why are you in my house?
Gay.
Why are you?
Gay.
Why are you in my house?
Toby.
You too.
Gay.
Stop it. That's disgusting.
Ew.
Hey. You shut up.
Toby. Ew.
You know what?
You're gay. Gay. Gay.
Is that all you say?
Gay. No, Toby.
You
Why
know
would you
what?
find someone else to pick on your own side? Everybody, shut up. You guys are gay. Why don't say anything? Honey, oh my God, why are people in our house?
Honey, I'm working on it.
Why are there people in our house, Carl? You know I don't approve of people around. I'm leaving, but I'm going to spend that for mom tonight.
No, honey, please don't.
Gay.
And ladies and gentlemen, that was And Friends.